Hi everyone, this is Marty Carter. I'm with SumnerOne Service here today to show you how to change staples on the TASKalfa series from Kyocera. The staples on the Kyocera machines are located in the finisher. Finisher door opens as such, and then inside I'll see my staple cartridge. This will slide forward, so when you open the door you should see this staple cartridge here. If it's in the back, you'll want to close the door. It'll reset itself and reopen the door. Here's your staple cartridge. Typically this cartridge, when full, this one is empty, but when full it holds 5,000 straight staples that will staple through up to 50 sheets. Now that we have the staple cartridge removed, we're going to show you how to replace the cartridge. Oftentimes from a customer we'll get calls that they're having trouble replacing the staple cartridge. Well, I'm going to show you what they're dealing with now. This cartridge in a perfect world should lift right off. The white and blue you're going to keep forever, but the clear cartridge should lift off. And in this case, I can't lift that off. What's happening is a lot of the staples are still remaining from the old cartridge. When those are removed, it'll come out very easy. This cartridge just has a green flap here. I'm going to lift this up. Some of the staples might fall, but I'm going to slide the remaining staples out of the cartridge. Then, with that out, I can then easily take the clear cartridge and that lifts right off, very easy. That's how you remove the cartridge if you have any problems. Next, we'll change a staple cartridge. So what we have is our original staple cartridge. You're going to keep the white portion and the blue. Again, that should come off really easy. You'll receive the staple cartridges in a box similar to this one. This cartridge in particular contains 3 staple cartridges. They look just like this one. We'll use this one that's already out of a box. But when you change them, it should be similar to like putting a foot in a shoe. I'm going to put the toes in first, then drop that heel and you'll hear a little click. And that should be as easy as that. Now that we've replaced the cartridge, we're going to load this back into the Kyocera TASKalfa. Should load simple. I'm going to close this door and then you'll hear the cartridge reset itself. It may test a staple or two, but that's how you replace the staple cartridges in the Kyocera TASKalfa series.